I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Papuntang Malta. Yan. Bye-bye. Hong Kong Airport. Hinatid namin yung kaibigan namin. Papunta siya ng Malta in Europe. So, good luck for new journey, ate. So, dito kami sa Terminal 1. Sobrang laki ng airport nila. Malinis. As in. Ayan. Walang katao-tao. Noon may decoration pa dito, ngayon wala na. Sobrang ganda ng airport dito. Relax. Okay. Hanapin natin yung ano mo, te. Anong airlines ka ba? Ha? Magtimbang muna tayo, te. Letter F ka, te. Ito yung Hong Kong Airport. Dati wala pang COVID. Sobrang daming tao dito. Ngayon, tahimik. Ganito. Noon kasi siksikan ang tao dito. Dahil sa pandemic, hindi masyado. So, magkilo muna kami, baka over luggage yung kaibigan namin. Ilang kilo, te? Bawas ka dyan? Wag na, hangkiri mo naman yan eh. Tapos yung malaki. Ilang kilo? Okay lang, te, wag mo nang bawasan. Okay na yan. Consider na yan, te, baka palo. Tapos yung backpack mo, itry mo daw, ikilo yung backpack mo. Oh, yan. 30 kilos lang ang ano niya, so consider na yung 32 per tube. Okay? Hanapin natin yung pa-Turkey, te. Yan. So much better na maaga kaysa may stress kami sa mamadali. Anong airlines ka? Turkish? Doon tayo. Doon tayo banda. Kasi pang ano kasi dito, yung mga Cebu Pacific. Dito ang Cebu Pacific banda. Try natin doon. Walang katao-tao ang airport. Siksikan to dati. Now, hindi. Pero in fairness, no, maraming for good na mga Chinese na lumipat sa ibang lugar. Kasi yung economy dito sa Hong Kong bagsak talaga. Daming mga restaurant, or sana magbalik. So dito banda ang Turkish Airlines. So hindi pa siya bukas kasi yung flight ng kaibigan namin is 11 tonight. So 3 hours before departure mag-open na. Tingnan nyo. Dati dati dito ano talaga, lahat ng mga ganyan open. Now is wala. Yan, tahimik ang ibang mga counter, walang masyado kasi bawal pa ang travel dahil sa 7 days, buti na lang 7 days ang quarantine. Dati kasi is 21 days, tapos bumaba ng 14 days, tapos bumaba ng 7 days. Ito